Hello, Emamuna Akwaba by in French lessons, I say, with French education, GH. French education, where French learning is a hobby, not a school subject. Introduction to French education. French tends to have a bad reputation among English speakers as hard to learn, and this is very true. Nti mowɔ nnamfonom bebree ne other family members a wɔtumi frɛ me, ɛka kyerɛ me sɛ, "Oh, but French is so difficult to learn." And I'm sure currently we student bɛyɛ 10 edi so at least emu bɛyɛ 8 and then 9 bɛka kyerɛ wo sɛ, yes, French is difficult to learn. Yes, it is true. Say it sometimes poses certain difficulties to native English speakers a Ghanaians koraa mpo ɛka ho. But yɛn nyinaa say learning a language requires some commitment to say ada kasa anaasɛ ade bia a wɔyɛ. Nti like any other skills, it requires a certain amount of effort na ɛtumi aboa. And because of that, French has to be practiced regularly. And that is the reason why more time after school, we do forget the French. And to be say, obi to me every SS, every university, we share French, but obabano na the Europe. Why? Because we are practicing. Nti sisi a waba bɛjoin French education GH no, but more than say at least every week biara no, wobɛ connect ɛwɔ YouTube anaasɛ other channel so na otumi esua adeɛ na aboa ama French a wosua wɔ school no otumi akaakae. Adɛn nti na yɛka sɛ French education is different from other French channels? Yes, it is true. Oko YouTube a wobɛnya French channels bebree a ɛkyerɛ ɔkwan a wobɛtumi afa so asua French. But with French education, it has a purpose for Ghanaians, especially students who want to understand and express themselves better in French. And man also unique from other French channels because it is combined of two languages, our local language that is Twi and also English. So obibe to me ebisa say, how can we use Twi to teach French? Will it be possible? Yes, of course, it is. It is possible until you use Twi, your local language Twi, na afe yede esua French. The world has over 200 million francophones who speak French. Yes, but one thing is many of them have different French accents. Okay. Nti bi te sɛ wokɔ country bi te sɛ Canada. One part a ɛka English and the other part a ɛka French. Into the other part ɛka French, no who say ɔmo French is slightly different. Yes, say different, baby, but it's just the accent. Sarah and so now wokɔ Belgium and the other countries bi mo nso a accent no nso is slightly different. But accent we are going to focus on is the Parisian accent. Yes, accent de France or accent de Paris. Nti eno na yebe focus so ɛwɔ small na amfe yɛde esua your French language. The French alphabet, and it is an English alphabet, the French alphabet also has 26 letters. But sometimes those letters are pronounced differently. Until we use some simple steps, a bit to me about how to express yourself very well and also how to pronounce those words differently. To me, what to me, akai, and then also to express yourself better in French. Into a French alphabet, I try as much as possible to add the pronunciation. Send a bit to me aboa ama wahu ni anasa wate asiye. Nti sɛ yɛbɛka ho asɛm kakra a, ɛwɔ bi te sɛ French alphabet I started with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Saa. Nti we mo ɛyɛ French alphabet with the pronunciation added. Ɛno nso bɛtumi aboa wo. Afei, yɛyi alphabet no nso efi hɔ a, yɛwɔ pronunciation ɛne accent nso ɛna ɛnam. Nti saa accent no, ɛno na ɛbɛtumi aboa wo so that you can also express yourself like a native. Nti ayɛ menya complaints bebree efi me students ɛhɔ ɛne other English speakers, Ghanaians ɔmo tumi ɛka sɛ adɛn nti na French koraa woka French abɛhu na yɛde biribi ato ne tiri so, ebi kɔ left, ebi ba right, ebi mpo ayɛ te sɛ kyɛ. No money ade. Yes, it is true. These are the accents ɛwɔ letters ɛno so. Nti with this studies, yɛbɛkyerɛ wo in a simple way wobɛtumi afa so memorize all those accents. Na sɛ wopɛ sɛ wokan French wotumi abɔ those words correctly na ma wasound even to say a native speaker. So thank you very much for coming, and then see you in the next class.